I'm going to assume that you know what a batch file is, how to make, save, and use one. First, you need to copy this code. It's also in the description for those of you who don't like typing. The second line is where the files will appear on your computer when you run it. Here's the batch after I saved it, and when you run it, you get something like this. Every time it runs, it copies everything in the directory into one file, then starts over. And you get this. A whole bunch of meaningless files, each one bigger than the last, taking up space on your computer. But with that batch, it pops up and they can see what's going on. Instead, save this one with your other one. When you run it, it starts the other batch in minimized mode. Unfortunately, nobody in their right mind is going to click on this. So instead, make a shortcut to it and hide the real batches in another folder like this. It actually works better if you hide them first, otherwise you have to change the target of the shortcut to wherever you hid them. When you run the shortcut, the batch files work normally. Right-click on the shortcut and hit Properties. Then change the icon to something like this. Then rename the shortcut to match the icon. Here's a different batch you could use to replace the first one. It makes a bunch of totally blank files instead of ones that take up space. Thanks to Microsoft 2008 for his FileBalmer, which I based mine off of.